So 97 million people are using this free streaming application, which works great on your Fire Stick, on your Android TVs, giving them access to thousands and thousands of movies, TV shows, and even live TV with a fully working program guide. Now, this application is absolutely free. It doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. It was only updated in the last few days, giving you access to a massive library of amazing free streaming content that you can go ahead and enjoy on all of your devices. And this special version that I have doesn't even have any adverts. So all of this great content on all of your devices, absolutely free, and now even ad-free. All you need to do is just hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started.
If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you.
Now, when you start the application for the first time, this is what you see. So welcome to unlimited movies, TV programs, and live news channels. So there's thousands of your favorite films, TV programs, and live content, 100% free, always legal, and no subscription required. Let's click on next. It's got 3 times the content of Netflix. So Netflix, as you know, has a massive library anyway. So to have an application which is completely free, which has 3 times the size of the Netflix library, I think is pretty impressive. On top of that, they also have 300 original series just for this application. Now, it does give you the option to sign in if you want to, but in my demonstration, I'm going to show you everything that you can do without signing in. It does say that if you do sign in, you will be able to add things to your favorites, you'll be able to save your progress, and you'll be able to get some other recommendations. But again, for now, let's just do continue as guest. Now, the application has a really nice clean layout. So directly on the home screen, you can see some of the featured content. As you can see here, so some very popular, some very recent content here. Then you've got recommended section. You have movie night on now. So here's some of your live content, which I will demonstrate in just a second. But you can see lots of very popular live channels. Then you got your favorite genres like action, black cinema, comedy, wellness on screen, horror, thrillers, family movies, something a bit different, faith content, romance, just lots and lots of different things. Let's go to the left and we can now see the main menu here. So if I go to categories, this will now allow me to filter out the content. And let's say, for example, I'm really interested in British crime TV. I can click on that. This will now filter out all of the content and just show me the British crime TV only. Obviously, that's working absolutely fine. So for example, I want to watch this thing here. Let's click on that. Give that a second. I can now click on play, and in less than 5 seconds, we should be straight into that content without any interruptions, any pop-ups, anything to distract you. We are straight into that content. That's working absolutely fine. Let's back out of that. Let's go back to the left. Let's go to the movie section. Now, this is really one of the largest free movie databases or libraries I've ever seen in any streaming application. Just lots and lots of very, very popular content, all properly categorized, all with the different genres that you can enjoy on all of your devices. Here you have Independence Day, you've got American History X, Fargo, lots of very popular content. Let's say I want to watch one of these. Let's go for this superhero movie. One click, click on play, and again, in less than 5 seconds, I am straight into that content, again, without any interruption. So definitely has a superb library, and with this special version, you really can go ahead and enjoy it on all of your devices without any interruptions or disruptions. Let's go back. Let's go to TV shows. Again, just a superb library, all your favorite TV content, all your favorite TV series. Here, for example, we can see is NYPD Blue. Let's click on that. And it's not just one episode or one season. As you can see in here, you've actually got access to all 12 seasons. So I can go back to season 5 or go all the way to the latest season 12 for a quick test. Let's try something from a bit older. So here's season 4, episode 3, just to show you that every single episode, every single season is going to work. It's going to work straight away, as these are official licensed applications, and that's working absolutely fine. That's working great. Let's back out of that. Then you've got the live TV section. Now, depending on your location, you may not see all of these extra options on the left, like live TV. I'm based in the UK and I can see them on my device, but I am using something to help me. Let's click on live TV, and we're now taken to this dedicated side, and we can now see all of these live TV channels with that fully working EPG, the electronic program guide. And you can see here all of these channels, exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. These are the featured channels. Here you can see, for example, we've got Crime 360. I can click on that, and in less than a few seconds we are taken directly into that live broadcast. That's working great. Let's back out of that. So overall, guys, I really am impressed with this updated version of Tubi TV. And you can see why 97 million people are now enjoying this application on all of their devices. The fact that it doesn't require any kind of sign up. Just open up the application and you can go ahead and enjoy all of this great content across all of your devices. Now, to get this on your Amazon Fire TV or your Android TV devices, just open up the Amazon App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Tubi. Here we are. Let's click on that. And that's the application there. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this in your Amazon App Store or the Google Play Store, or you're looking for that special version, then you can get that always from our website. Just navigate to tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this latest version, this custom version of this application for all of your devices. Now, as I mentioned before, on my device, the reason why I'm able to see all of this extra content, particularly the live TV content, is because I'm using a VPN and I've changed my virtual location to New York. And with that virtual location, as you've seen today, it just opens up this application, and really most of the free streaming applications become fully unlocked when you do have that USA IP address. If you are looking for the easiest way to change your IP address, to protect yourself online, really just the best way to protect your privacy, right now there's a special offer on a really fast VPN. And when I say fast, I really do mean super fast, guys. So as you can see here with a quick speed test with the server based in New York, I'm comfortably pushing over 500 meg downstream. So super fast VPN. But what makes it more special is right now they've got an amazing offer where they're offering access to over 3,200 servers in over 100 countries. So wherever you need to get your virtual IP address from, wherever you need to unlock your content from, having servers in over 100 countries means you can do that without any issue whatsoever. You can stream in 4K without any buffering. You get access to those really fast servers. It's also unlimited devices. So you buy one subscription with Surfshark and you can install it on as many devices as you like. All of your Fire Sticks, your PCs, your phones, your tablets, laptops, Android TVs, all of those devices can be covered with just a single license. And to get all of that for $1.99 a month, so cheaper than a cup of coffee with 4 months extra free, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.